Hey guys, welcome back to the React and Golang Fullstack calorie tracker application. In today's video, we'll be working on the pop-up that comes up when you want to add a new entry. So we already have the function to adding a new entry, which is the add single entry function. We don't have the pop-up, which helps us to add this new entry. Now, one thing that I've noticed is that what I've not done is all of these should actually be inside the entries component. So just make sure you place them there. And now is the time to start working with the pop-up. So for the pop-up, come here to your container where we created these two containers. And here is where we'll create the modal. We'll be using a modal for creating the pop-up. For modal, we'll say show is equal to add new entry on hide we'll say set add new entry will be false in the beginning, and this will be centered. The modal will be in the center. Now for the modal, you can have different properties. So for the modal, you can have a header, and the header will have a close button on top, and the modal will also have a title. The title will be add calorie entry. So whenever you want to create a new entry, you'll see this pop-up which has a close button, which has the main title as add calorie entry. And apart from the header, it will also have a body, and this is the body has all the complete form where we have to enter the dish name, the ingredients, calorie, and so on. So in the body, you'll say model dot body, and we'll create a form. So for that, we'll use form dot group. Actually, the G should be capital. And we'll create labels. So for form dot label, the first one will be dish, and with the label, we'll have a form control where we can have on change new entry dot dish. We'll set the value of the new entry dot dish equal to event dot target dot value. And similarly, like we have this form label, we'll have multiple mode labels for the ingredients, calories, and so on. So we'll have one for ingredients, one for calories, and one for the fat. So I'll just give them the names accordingly: ingredients and calories, fat. After this label, there will be the form control for this label. So I'll copy and paste this here. Sorry, here, here, and here. And now we'll make changes. So for the ingredients, it should be new entry dot ingredients. For the calories, it should be new entry dot calories, and for the fat, it should be new entry dot fat. After the group, the form group is over. Inside the body itself, we need two buttons. The first button is for adding that new entry that you're creating. The second button is for canceling it in case you don't want to add this new entry. Both of these buttons will have an on-click property. The first one will have add single entry, and the second one will have set add new entry, set to false. And that's about it for this pop-up. Now what you can do is we can either work on the other two functions that are pending here from the function side, or we can end up creating a new pop-up for changing the ingredient or changing the entry.